Today we're experiencing the tactical riverine operations which was conducted for the cadets, just like the special guest said, for the NDA regular cadets, special duty cadets, as well as the direct short service cadets. This is sort of like a battle inoculation for the cadets. We need to incorporate this training for our cadets so that by the time they get to the field, they will be able to carry out these exercises or this operation seamlessly.
The Nigerian Naval College, Ebubu, has introduced a tactical riverine operations exercise for the cadet of the Nigerian Defence Academy's 72 regular course, direct short service course 29, and special duty pre-commission training 24. The exercise aims to introduce officers cadet to basic tactical riverine operations, preparing them for the contemporary operational challenges in the country. The Tactical Riverine Operations exercise started on Monday, March 17, 2025, with lectures on brown water operations, tactical combat casualty, and firefighting procedures.
Do you understand, but now in all that you do, if you are not having this blanket, please soak your blanket before you put it. If not, or use your towel. Just make sure you soak it, there is water on it. Make sure it will catch.
The cadets then participated in firefighting drills, practical on weapon handling awareness, roadblock, and crowd dispersal.
Oh boy, I will show me.
I put the ones in black armor.
I wish to state that what we have seen here today, it's a very, very interesting development. We've seen a lot of innovation. We've seen how innovation can be brought into contemporary training methods. Over 402 cadets, stressing across regular cadets, direct short service, and special duty commission officers. I wish to congratulate the Commandant, Nigerian Naval College, for successfully putting together this training. The Special Riverine Training series has been a phase training activity comprising different phases. In the first phase, I gather, the cadets were put through theoretical presentations on navigation, maneuvering, tactics, and weapon handling.
On Thursday, 20th March 2025, the cadets engaged in practical boat handling and beach landing drill, simulating a rescue scenario.
moving by skipping. 2, open fire.
Put down there. Choose.
Enemies are coming up for it, please.
The exercise concluded with a range classification exercise.
Police open first. The contemporary security challenge now requires that all armed forces work in synergy. So the Navy now do not train for only to fight the maritime, also train to fight amphibious operation. It is moving from water to land. So I saw the demonstration in Iceland. So what I'm interested in because such aspect now they have to fight together, collaboration and jointness with the army. So it's necessary that we're here to see how it's supporting training, same pattern that these trainings to create an operation.
The Tactical Riverine Operations exercise for officers cadet of the Naval College under the command of the Rear Admiral Haruna Chimerizego is expected to conclude on Saturday, 22nd of March 2025, with practicals on patrol, formation and signal, as well as close-quarter combat, where the officers cadet demonstrated their marksmanship skills. Olayemi Esun for Spyetv.